today's video, we'll install BONOSS wheel spacers for this Maserati GT. Is it safe to run these wheel spacers? Let's go. The matching wheel studs on the wheel spacers are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structural stability, fewer harmful elements, and fewer surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. Aside from boosting the ride quality directly, wheel spacers assist in the safe installation of other suspension parts. When it comes to suspension upgrades, changing the shock absorbers and struts is a good starting point. They are the parts of the suspension that absorb the bump in the road to make the ride smooth. Car manufacturers have arranged the OEM shock absorbers, springs, wheels, and tires properly. Replacing the shock absorbers may cause tire rubbing. When the rubbing issues occur, wheel spacer will be one of the easiest and quickest solutions. By moving the wheel further away from the chassis, they create more space from the hub assembly to the wheels. It is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.